What if I told you that you could wear a different mask for each day of the week to coordinate with your outfits for under $10 using only items from the Dollar Tree? Keep watching if you want to learn how. So I got all of these scarves from the Dollar Tree. Very pretty material, very versatile, very sheer fabric. I got this scarf hanger from the Dollar Tree as well, along with the elastics and the headband. And I'm going to show you how to make your own mask using these or any other sheer scarves that you have. So if you have a bunch of sheer scarves, or if you want to cheaply get some so that you can start to coordinate your mask with your outfit, then just keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, I basically just folded it in half. You can do that with the infinity or the regular, like I said. And then you come right here. You kind of come in a third of the way, come in 1/3 of the way. Now, take your 2 rubber bands, loop it through, come about right there. Loop it through, about right here. This right here is where your mouth will go. And this will be what goes behind your ears. Now, if you want a little added protection, because you never can be too safe, you can add a piece of cotton cloth, or in here I did a mask from the Dollar Tree. You can cut those off and actually use this double-sided tape if you really want to secure it in there, or you can loop them around and then kind of skip these and play around with that. But that's just another option if you want to be extra safe, even though this is actually quite durable once we get finished with it. Okay, so although this is not necessary, this also comes from Dollar Tree. It's an elastic band. They have kids and adult sizes, but they're perfect to keep your hair back for many different things. And then also, you see I have very long hair. You can easily twist it and tuck it in. So what we're going to do is loop this around their ears. And then come behind here and tie it. Double knot for a little security. Hold on your hair and down. Very secure, very chic, very cheap. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave me a like, a comment, and subscribe if you have not. Stay safe and let's have a little fun because these masks are becoming the new normal, so let's style them appropriately.